So let's talk about the great Indian Bharat delay. I got an invite for a Bharat that was supposed to be, it said Bharat timing 7:30 p.m. sharp. Even I know that it's not going to be 7:30 p.m. Okay, I expected it at 9. The Bharat entered at 11 p.m. I mean,
I think that is still okay because there was this one wedding in my house. So like the Bharat had to come like say they said like 7:30 ish. They came at 1 a.m.
what?
Yeah, they came at 1 a.m. only and
Divorce.
only
Straight away.
only and only because like the groom was like he was like sleeping because like he got drunk with his friends after the haldi and like he just slept.
Divorce. I
Divorce.
agree.
100%.
And then he's coming like say your wedding date is 18th, ठीक है? He's coming on 19th. उसने शादी की डेट ही बदल दी.
I am
वो
sorry.
अगले दिन आ रहा है.
See you at family court. This
That
not
that
happening.
is just unacceptable.
I think
But also, like, it's so disrespectful to
Yeah.
the people attending. Like,
yeah.
I don't know.
And it's disrespectful for the bride, to their family. It's all in all disrespectful.
Imagine she's just waiting there, like all decked up. She's done with her bridal portrait. She's done with everything possible,
Yeah.
and that bride was sitting in a room watching MTV because she's like, "ये तो आया नहीं."
I'll be like, change in your pajamas, go to sleep, see you in the morning, have a good life.
Exactly.
But then again, he was like not even apologetic about it. That's the problem. Like
double divorce.
Oh my god, I will divorce you and then remarry you and then divorce you.
yeah,
again.
and people around were so chill about it because this was like a very normal thing, and that's the problem. Like people don't respect your time in wedding.
Do you feel like for boys, it's like this is the most fun part of their wedding, and so they're like, okay, a little bit delay to chalta hai.
But like not for like so many hours,
Yeah.
right?
Look, Bharat delays are part of like culture, it's fun, all of that stuff. But
Yeah.
this like 5-6 hours is just ridiculous. It's not even
Not acceptable.
respectful.
And nobody said a thing to the groom. Nobody said anything.
This is the Raja Beta syndrome.
It's pissing me off, honestly.
So how much of a Bharat delay is acceptable?
Like 2 hours is a stretch,
Yeah.
but an acceptable stretch.
Correct.
Anything beyond that, see you in court.
Anything beyond that is divorce.
Yeah, see you in court.
Anything not acceptable.
I think,
Like,
yeah. I think it's credit to Gen Z brides who are like,
Yeah.
like you don't come for
Are
the
you
wedding.
coming? You're not coming.
Bye-bye. There is no way I'm waiting for you.
Yeah.
So credit to the Gen Z brides who are like,
Yeah.
I am going to make sure you are, okay, you'll be a little bit delayed, but you're
Yeah.
not going to disrespect
Yeah,
everybody
I mean,
around.
like, have your fun, have your time, like, have that, Arman ki Barat type stuff, like, have that,
Yeah.
and then just come, na.
Also, like, as a bride, you
Yeah.
have to sit for makeup literally 3 hours before the
Yeah.
supposed Bharat time. So you're anyway sitting 3 hours before. Groom to goes into a room, wears his sherwani, he's ready.
And Gen Z is the generation which has brought out all these minimal, this sustainable wedding kind of thing. This never used to happen before.
But otherwise, in terms of weddings, I think they've brought a lot of good changes to the wedding industry.
Yeah.